party people, welcome back to Style Style. If you're new, hello. If you are old and you stuck by me through my month and a half recess, then thank you for staying with me and thank you for knowing that I would be back. So today what I have for you is a review on the Glam Light Pizza Palette. I got this when it was on pre-order and apparently they took too long to ship them out. So as a sorry, I got a calligrapher waterproof eyeliner. And they also gave me a $10 little gift card. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to be using that because I'm piss broke. But, you know, at least they give it to me. And I didn't really think that they took too long. Mind you, I wasn't home, but I was tracking everything while I wasn't home. So, you know, it didn't seem like they took that long to me. So, without further ado, let's just start with the tutorial on this palette. You guys have probably seen it already because I'm a little late, well, a lot late to the show. So this is what the palette looks like. It's big, and then it has a big old mirror here. It does flip down so you can make a masterpiece with all these different colors. So I have no idea what colors I want to use today, but we're just gonna wing it. I know I want to use pepperoni, which is like this brick red right here, because that is my favorite topping on a pizza. So without further ado and no more noise, let's get started. So I don't even know. I'm gonna go into this like mauve color, and that is mushrooms, just to set up the eye. It's a lot darker than I thought. Mind you, I know my eyebrows are bad. Please. This is very pigmented. There is no kickback at all with this shade, so I don't know about any other shade so far because this is the first time dipping into this palette, but we'll see as we go. Sausage, which is right here, and that is a little bit darker and a little bit more red than purple. So again, barely any kickback with this one, which is good. And let's see, no fallout at all. Nothing on my face so far from the mushrooms. And let's see if it falls out with sausage. It does not. There's no fallout at all, which is amazing. In with meatballs into the crease, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna use pepperoni on the outer V, and then on the lid either green peppers or jalapenos. I don't know. So we're gonna go in with meatballs. Of garlic right here just to blend out this part right here a little bit because it's not cute right now. I am finally going into pepperoni like I said I wanted to. This one has a little bit more kickback than the rest of them, if you can see that right here. And I'm just gonna stamp it first. I really just wanted it on my outer V, but I think I want it on my inner corner too. Now, I'm going to first go into green peppers, even though I hate green peppers. It's just right here. I'm going to go into it first without anything. Whoa. Setting spray. It doesn't need any. Wow. So that is what we're looking like. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of basil and jalapeno because this does not look right to me a little bit. So I'm just gonna do the other side and then we're gonna add basil and jalapeno. Alright, pretty people, this is the finished look. I did not put any lashes on today because I didn't have any. So I'm sorry that we did not go the full shebang, but this is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. And I'll see you soon next time on Shasta. Bye, pretty people.